Hey guys, Mom and Son Train Rail fans coming to you with another mail call. This one is from Eric at ANCRR, a N Scale and Life Journey. He did a little note. He said, "Hi Tammy and Ray. Included are several vehicles I knew that they are going to a good home. This is because I saw you didn't have them on your layout, these kinds of vehicles. Keep up the good work on the layout. Sincerely, Eric." Now, like we told you before, we mostly do HO, but we also do some O scale buildings, and we do Hot Wheels, cars. We're pretty much up for anything, and let's see what Eric sent Ray for our layout. Oh, yes, Eric warned me there was going to be peanuts and bubble wrap. I forgive you, Eric. What one's that? A SWAT car. Okay, just put it right there on the towel. What one's that? Oh, very cool. Yep. Oh, rescue squad?
Yes.
Cool. Oh, what's that? Helicopter. That one's a tough one for Ray to say. Oh, police. These are awesome. Bubble wrap. Oh, wow. It's a fire engine with a ladder.
Yes.
How cool. You love it. He said, "I love it." Oh, wow. That's a roller, construction roller. Yes. Ray's pointing over at his industrial. So you like that one, don't you? He's like, "Let's see what we got here."
No.
Another fire truck. That one doesn't have a ladder.
Another ambulance.
An ambulance.
Yep. Another sheriff.
A sheriff. We're gonna have to do, like, there's a break-in at the gas station. Have all the police cars there, or they're there eating donuts. Oh, that's like a forklift. Guess where that one's going? The industrial, yep. What is that one?
Batman.
A Batman. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Another sheriff.
Yep. Those are different colors. Those are really cool. Holy cow! That is cool. That's like back in the old days, right, Ray?
Yes.
I said it before you did. That way you didn't make me feel old. Oh, very cool. Eric, these are awesome. But I'm sure you can tell with his face. He's a happy camper.
Another fire truck.
Fire truck, bubble wrap. And we're gonna put Eric's link down in the video. Oh, I like that one. That's like a SWAT car too. Oh, another one for the industrial.
Yes.
Very cool. Oh, yep. What is that?
Another Dutch.
Yep. Very cool. Ain't no one gonna break into our layout, are they? We got too many cops now. Okay, hold on a second.
Oh.
Bubble wrap and popcorn.
Oh. I got this.
What do we got? A school bus. Yeah, cool. I lost your face in there for a minute, Ray. You like that?
Yes.
Very cool.
That's cool.
Oh, you're gonna pop it, aren't you? You're not gonna pop. What do you say to Eric?
Yes,
Look at the camera.
Thank you, Eric.
And
Appreciate it.
you appreciate it. Thank you so much. We're going to go put it on the layout and we'll show you. Hey guys, we're back. We want to show you where we put all these awesome cars. You got one there, dump truck. And I'm just going to show you them all. We got the roller. That guy's going to get pulled over by the sheriff. Here's a couple, and that's one of the autism cars that I made today, but here's a couple more that Eric sent. There's an construction one. Sheriff going the other way. Sheriff and a SWAT. Batman. There's another one of the autism ones I made today. There's a garbage truck. Sheriff and a train going by. And then we got another garbage truck. And I'm going to have to walk around the other way to show you where the other ones are. Come over here. That one's really cool. And then we got that one. The school bus. Ambulance. And the fire trucks. Thank you so much, Eric. We really appreciate it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.